Hello everyone, welcome to an extraordinary journey amidst the grandeur of Ratha Yatra. Joy Jagannath, we celebrate a truly unique and magnificent festival, Ratha Yatra. It takes place in the sacred city of Puri, Odisha. It is a grand procession that captures the heart and souls of millions of devotees from all corners of the globe. At the center of this majestic festival is Sri Jagannath, the supreme deity worshipped in the famous Jagannath temple of Puri. Sri Jagannath, along with his divine siblings Prabhu Balabhadra, his elder brother, and Devi Subhadra, his younger sister, embark on a journey from their abode in the temple to Gundicha temple, located around 3 kilometers away during the month of Ashadha, that is June or July. The symbolism behind this journey is profound. It represents the divine invitation for all humanity to join in the celebration of spirituality and unity. The majestic Rathas carrying the deities are a spectacle to behold, towering high and adorned with vibrant colors and intricate designs. These Rathas have different names: Nandighosa for Sri Jagannatha, Talathoja for Prabhu Balabhadra, and Darpadalana for Devi Subhadra, are pulled by thousands of devotees with utmost devotion and enthusiasm. The fervor and devotion that fill the air during Ratha Yatra are truly infectious. It is a time when social barriers dissolve and people from all walks of life come together to seek blessings and experience a profound sense of oneness. The festival teaches us the invaluable lesson of inclusivity and harmony, reminding us that regardless of our differences, we are all interconnected and bound by a shared spiritual essence. As the grand procession moves through the streets of Puri, the atmosphere resonates with the sounds of devotional chants, rhythmic drumming, and the joyous cries of the devotees. It is a celebration of life, love, and unity. Celebration of diversity, where people from different nations, races, and creeds converge to witness the divine grace and experience the power of faith. Ratha Yatra is not confined to Puri alone. It transcends geographical boundaries and reaches out to the hearts of millions around the world. This global celebration encourages us to embrace diversity, cultivate tolerance, and foster a sense of brotherhood. As we witness the majestic Rathas roll by, let us strive to carry the spirit of unity and love in our hearts. May the divine grace of Sri Jagannath, Prabhu Balabhadra, and Devi Subhadra touch our lives and fill our hearts with love, compassion, and understanding. Thank you, everybody.